Well, this is the last module, so all the screws are out from here. So these will come off there. And this just pop off there. And now just need to take this top plate off the modules. And because they're balanced on here, need to consider how you pull this all apart so that the modules fall off when you and now it's as simple as double module plate. Now these are all live, so if these fall down and hit metal, I just don't want to think about it. You do not want that happening. No. Temporarily, I'm just storing them in crates. I've got to get a few more of these crates because the live ends can lie down in those, whereas in these, oh, they're just barely fitting. In between each module you've got spaces. That. In these crates you can actually fit a few bolts in there. Not sure about the battery and BMS, probably not. I'm sure I can find something that'll accommodate a 7S2P pack. These guys in here. I'm surprised they didn't use aluminium to save the weight here, but I suppose expense versus what they would have saved in fuel would have been an important consideration. And in 2012 these batteries would have been worth a fortune to put into a Nissan Leaf. So these guys are balanced fairly well. Right, as I take these off, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Well, you get the idea. So this has been quite fun doing this. Don't know if I'd like to do it several times a day, but it's a pretty quick job and fairly straightforward if you're careful. Adios.